blend. Today I'm gonna make for you a quick and easy cashew milk in the brand new Ascent Series 600ml blending cup. So these are fantastic for making smaller amounts of smoothies to go. You got your to-go lid here. You can also make beautiful salad dressings, and I like to make my nut milks in here as well. It's the perfect quantity, just for breakfast in the morning. So these are only $39.95, which is a really good price. So I definitely recommend adding them on to your Vitamix Ascent blender. So in the container here, we have some nice filtered water. I'm simply gonna add some cashew nuts. You can use any type of nuts you like, almonds, macadamias, it doesn't matter. You can make rice milk the same way, soya milk, lots of different milks you can make. I'm also gonna add half a date. Oh, dropped it, but it went in, I was lucky. And we're also gonna put in some freshly ground cinnamon, which I actually made in my last video demonstration. So beautiful and fresh, we'll put that in. And a little bit of ice. I like my cashew milk to be cool in the morning. It's that simple. I put my blade in place. Keep in mind, you need to purchase the blade separately, all right? That comes with the blending bowl starter kit. And put that on the container. Now I'm using the Ascent Series 3500 model here. This is the top of the line Ascent model, it's awesome. And I just press the beverage setting. You'll see here it says 38 seconds. So the 3500 will recognize the 600ml container, and it will automatically adjust the blending time to suit, which is pretty cool. So let's hit start. That's all we have to do. Away we go. That's it, all right? It automatically shuts off. I don't have to turn it off. It's got those programmable settings, which I love about this model. And here we go. So we just unscrew the blade, take that off, and I'll put on my to-go lid. If you've just made a green smoothie, or if you want to make a cacao protein shake in the morning, you can take it straight to work. Got this lid here. Beautiful, fresh cashew milk. Nothing better. Make it for yourself at home. Happy blending.